Hey, welcome back to the channel. Happy 4th of July. We're going to run a very quick 4 patriotic themed tournament. These 4 cards will be pulled at random to face one another in just a short little tournament here. And the winner will get a chance to dethrone the current RR racing champion, the Diora. This one kind of pulled off an upset, winning the title from What For Two. And we got, I can't read that. It's Star Spangled 1965 Mustang. Very nice and spangled. And we got this beauty here, a 1957 T-Bird. Look at those flames, fierce, like the red hubcaps. Look at that, and that. If that doesn't say America, I don't know what does. It's a 1957 Chevy. And last and certainly not least, this guy, or gal. It's a 3-window 34 3-window. Sure, whatever. So let's get to it. All right, we got Kay who's going to select each vehicle at random and unbox it and place them on the track. First one, totally random.
Star Spangled 2, T-Bird 1957.
All right.
Going against the 3-window 34.
All right. And chances are you will see these cars race again in our past, present, future tournament, where we're going to take 8 cars from roughly each decade and pit them against each other. And there's going to be a final winner who's going to get a championship race against, well, whoever leaves this tournament as the champion.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Well, yeah. We're going to have to do a lane switch and a redo. That was kind of a disappointment.
All right.
All right, this is the
Try this
redo
again.
here.
3, 2, 1.
Well, by virtue of simply staying on its wheels, the whatever that is, the 3-window wins, and we got a car upside down, eliminated. All right, so there should be no surprise as to what 2 cars are next. So if you just want to unbox them and place them on the track. Look at that beauty.
Yes. Star Spangled 2, 1965.
Look at that.
Versus the Star Spangled 2, 1957 Chevy.
All right.
All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Looks like
At least they both made it to the end.
I know this car's heavy. I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah.
It's real heavy. So yeah, this is the Chevy, I believe.
Yes.
Okay. Gonna advance to final of our little Independence Day tournament, and the winner's gonna take on the Diora.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
We don't have a winner, do we? We have a car flipped. All right, so we're gonna do a lane swap and hope for the best here. We gotta have a winner, right?
Yeah.
So let me set the barrels back up. Not sure if the barrels are making a difference because these cars are so heavy. Okay, let's just Take two.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
We got a winner. Looks like that 57 Chevy won. And it's going to get a championship race against the Diora. Weird looking vehicle. All right, championship race time. 57 Chevy, the challenger in the upper lane, I guess you could say. The outside lane. Inside lane, current double R racing champion, Diora.
All right. I have no idea who's going to win this.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
With a little help from the 57 Chevy, Diora pushed through the finish line and retains its championship. And the 57 Chevy, I think, is a strong contender.
It definitely is.
As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, so we just ran our Independence Day tournament. Diora retains its championship, still double R racing champion. One of the cars came in a package that had a, I don't know, a little contest thing. Although I see it says get the code, so maybe it's just a code and not necessarily a winner. Yeah, you have to go online. But we could see what's under there anyway, who knows? I mean, this is what, 20 years old, so I doubt this contest is still any good. It's so old, you can't feel it.
I got it. Ah. It is a code. PlanetHotWheels.com.
Look at that. I wonder if it has an expiration date.
We could have been grand prize winners.
We could have been back in '02.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, offer expires December 31st, '02. Yeah, I'm not even going to go to the website or anything.
Who knows what it's
Yeah,
what it is
right?
now. That's kind of neat though.
PlanetHotWheels.com. Yeah, it is pretty neat.